Inches? What the fuck? Wait, what?
It's 50 bucks. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
What? What the fuck? Am I about to get piped? Well, ma'am, I can't help you. I kind of fucking lied to your ass.
I didn't learn squat. Well, worth a try. She just lost her kid. I can understand how she's feeling.
Oh, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of this guy.
Bro, save what? Wait, don't save one.
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
What the? No! Do the shake, bro. Wait, what are you doing?
What the fuck?
You again?
You again?
If you're looking for trouble, you found it. Gonna beat the shit out of you.
Oh!
Let's stop.
Holy shit.
R1's a small screen, right?
Yeah. I don't know. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh no!
I'm getting my ass whooped. Oh, I'm gonna. Oh fuck.
Dude! Bro, help me, Lauren. Help him.
I'm getting my shit rocked, bro. Oh. I'll see you again.
Right?
Better him, I guess.
Are you alright?
Sorry about the mess.
Yo, bro, Scott Shelby.
Mr. Shelby.
True, man.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I didn't learn squat.
Who's next? Well, no, who's the next character?
0.68. Oh, is that the rain? It's growing.
That's probably the amount of rain.
I'm just saying it's
Is
a
that
big.
the rain is actually a metaphor for how much the game?
Wait, what was it before?
0.2.
Okay, it's 0.6.
This is a lot of rain. Sorry, if I remember, this guy like snorts cocaine or some shit.
He's got. What's happening to his hand? His
Yeah,
hands
what-
are not shaking right. His hands are like this. It's not.
What are your thoughts on the heavy rain gameplay?
It's better than Detroit Become Human.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Carter Blake.
Wait, what's his name? Justin?
I'm looking for Lieutenant Carter Blake. I'm looking for Lieutenant Carter Blake.
So I see where they got the Detroit influence.
You there?
Oh shit.
I'm looking for Lieutenant.
Lieutenant Blake? So,
We need more Ethan S.
what happened?
No, my character is really difficult to control. What the fuck? Wait. Anxiety.
There is no physical damage from the accident.
So he took
However,
no
I
physical
already
damage
know
when he
psychological
jumped in front of the fucking car to save his kid.
Bro, I literally found Jason.
You did find him.
I don't exactly feel lucky.
You found him.
Yeah.
You're playing inches.
It's growing. I will be a nice father. Bro, we were rich. I pissed and I shook.
Why does this park look like shit too?
I
Why does
should.
everything look like shit?
I'm not even.
Writing this.
I hope he like dies. I hope both the kids die. Yay! Yeah, I made my kid happy.
Let's go!
Yay!
Let's go! Bro, dude, the seesaw's like TikTok, bro. It hits him immediately and then afterwards he's just sad.
This is really sad. He fell off
He fell off. Oh no.
because his child died. The
Yeah,
origami
why did he
killer's
keep
after
tripping?
him.
Is the origami killed after him?
The origami killer is after him. Oh, Sean! Rah! What the hell? Sean, bro!
Can we,
Give him a
Where's
phone!
Detective
Oh my god,
Scott Shelby,
get
bro?
it! Get your child a phone.
You are a dude. How is his ex-wife gonna feel, bro?
Oh!
One like equals one shot.
We're 1/10 the way there. So
1.3 inches. That's like me.
you're not. It's a little bit bigger. Or for me, it's a little bit bigger. It's like 2 inches. Sean!
You get to play with balls?
Yeah, I'm playing with balls. This is kind of crazy.
You be squirting?
Shit tragic. They don't know what's happening. It's actually kind of difficult.
Well, I hope you're better at
Fuck up.
profiling than at tying knots.
If you could have tied your knot the entire time, why did you ask?
He's worse Connor.
He's Connor, but like boring and the actor
dying of
first.
Okay, that's a really very weird door. No, I want to go in the door.
Pissing? Does he shake?
Oh, okay.
Pissing minigame.
Okay.
You be squirting?
No, why'd you do that? Why would he do that? He's shaking. Why would he do that? Look at this.
Funny, dude. What is he doing?
Why would they piss right next to me?
This is actually.
Why would he go in the middle? Why would he go in the... He kind of deserves that.
Bro, this is actually comedy, dude.
I'm following him.
Get out of his fucking way.
Get out of the way. Okay. Bro. Dude. No.
Bro, where are we actually supposed to be doing?
I haven't hit the next
I wasn't
sequence.
The orchid is a common species. It can be found
Do I have
in
to,
any
like,
flower shop.
actually, like, figure it out? Close. I'm gonna do some actual shit.
Get me the fuck out of here.
Uh-oh.
All the drugs.
Boner alert.
Bro, quick time event, bro.
I forgot.
I'm not addicted, I just do it every day.
Tripto? No. I'm a good boy.
Oh, these controls. Where are you going?
I need to go to the bathroom. Where's the oh, there's the bathroom.
Oh!
You girl.
Oh! That's, what's it? That's Ethan, right? That's Ethan.
Base base.
What fuck?
How could Sean have disappeared without you even noticing? Weren't you right by the carousel?
The killer's not gonna come after me because I'm not a little boy anymore.
Look at who it is. Damn, bro, he is dummy thick, dude. Am I gonna beat another guy up? Holy fuck.
Oh my god, you're missing quick time, bro.
Dude.
Why is he doing that?
He's fruity, bro.
My name's Scott. Nobody here wants to hurt you.
Will I shoot him? Am I gonna shoot him? Oh shit! Oh. Did I kill him?
Life could be a dream if I could take you up.
Oh, I'm good. Holy fuck.
Oh shit. They wouldn't kill you like that.
Nah. I mean, that'd be pretty wild. What'd you say? Sorry, I couldn't hear you over the blaring loud music. Dude, Scott Shelby, bro, all of his shit is nasty, bro. Did you say bussy? I thought that said pussy.
If I try to
No bussy. I am live streaming. We might be okay.
Okay, that was an accident. My fault, guys. My one person watching. Not even one person. One guy watching.
We could
I
make
muted.
3 highlights.
I muted the mic.
Dude, okay, you know what? There's no point in beating around the bush. The voice acting in this game is
Very bad.
yeah, it's not good.
That's my voice.
I need
Justin!
to find out what's in that
What's his
locker.
name, Justin?
The luggage lockers.
Jesus.
They're on the other side of the station.
That's a quick time event. This quick time is easy.
The ones I got were some ridiculous shit.
Okay. I'm clearing this all out. Honestly. I feel like clearing this all out.
Scott, Shelby, cool.
Oppenheimer subjective. Objective.
Where's 18?
Where did it go?
Oh,
Jason.
18.
Oh, Jason. Okay. Wait.
And
Wait. Okay.
Detroit or heavy rated? Not Did I just do the Hell's Kitchen like violence?
That's my impression of that.
What's up, guys? I don't know what that was.